What if the perfect middle ground between a gasoline SUV and a full EV already exists? Because the all-new 2027 BYD Seal U DM-i just arrived in stunning white, and it's bringing nearly 1,000 kilometers of combined range, futuristic technology, premium styling, and hybrid efficiency that could seriously shake up the SUV market. And honestly, after seeing this thing, some traditional SUVs suddenly feel very old school. Welcome back to Motor Verdict Me, where we bring you the car reveals, future SUVs, and the hottest automotive technology in a smooth and exciting way. And today, we're taking a deep first look at the 2027 BYD Seal U DM-i, a hybrid SUV already being compared to heavy hitters like the RAV4 Hybrid, CR-V Hybrid, Tucson Hybrid, and even the Tesla Model Y in terms of tech and efficiency. And the biggest surprise, this might actually be the smarter option for buyers who aren't fully ready to switch to electric vehicles yet. The moment you see the front of the Seal U DM-i in white, it immediately gives off this clean, futuristic vibe. BYD clearly wanted something elegant and premium rather than overly aggressive. And honestly, that design approach works beautifully here. The front fascia looks sleek and sophisticated with ultra-slim LED headlights stretching smoothly toward the fender. Those lighting elements create a sharp, modern face that looks expensive, especially at night when the LEDs are fully illuminated. The grille area is another interesting detail. Since this is a hybrid SUV, the grille isn't completely sealed like a pure EV, but it's much more refined and aerodynamic than traditional gasoline SUVs. Airflow has been carefully designed for efficiency while still maintaining enough cooling for the hybrid system. The lower bumper features subtle sculpting and clean aerodynamic lines that enhance both visual appeal and fuel efficiency. And honestly, there's something very calm and confident about the overall design. It doesn't try too hard to look sporty, but it still feels modern, upscale, and premium. And in white, this thing looks seriously futuristic. It almost has that clean luxury EV vibe you'd expect from vehicles costing much more. Now let me ask you guys something. Do you think SUVs are starting to look too aggressive these days? Or do you prefer this more elegant futuristic design approach BYD is using here? Because personally, I think this style is going to age really well. Now moving around to the backside of the 2027 Seal U DM-i. The rear design continues that high-tech premium appearance perfectly. The first thing that grabs your attention is the full-width LED taillight bar stretching across the rear. At night, this SUV is going to have an instantly recognizable lighting signature. It gives the vehicle a wider, more planted appearance while also adding a touch of luxury-inspired styling. The taillight graphics are sharp and modern without becoming overly complicated. BYD kept the rear smooth and uncluttered, which honestly makes the SUV look cleaner and more upscale than many competitors. The tailgate design has subtle sculpting that adds depth without making the rear feel busy, while the bumper remains minimalist with integrated detailing that matches the futuristic identity of the vehicle. And honestly, this is the kind of SUV that probably turns heads quietly. It doesn't scream for attention, but people are still going to notice it, especially in white paint. The rear lighting and body reflections stand out beautifully. Now here's a question for you guys. Which SUV has the best rear light design right now? The Tesla Model Y, Tucson Hybrid, or this new BYD Seal U DM-i? I'm curious because lighting design is becoming a huge part of modern car identity. Now let's move over to the left side profile, because this angle really shows how balanced the proportions of this SUV are. The stance feels confident and planted with a slightly elevated ride height that gives drivers that SUV visibility people love. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, helping aerodynamic performance while still keeping the design practical for families and everyday use. Character lines run subtly along the side panels, adding just enough detail without making the body look. The wheel arches are gently flared around stylish alloy wheels that help give the SUV a stronger road presence. And honestly, the white makes all these design details stand out even more. Metallic trim around the windows adds sophistication, and from certain angles, the Seal U DM-i almost looks like a premium European crossover mixed with a futuristic EV. Compared to something like the RAV4 Hybrid, the BYD definitely feels cleaner and more modern visually. Now looking at the right side of the SUV, this perspective really highlights how aerodynamic and streamlined the overall design is. Everything flows naturally from front to rear, and you can tell BYD focused heavily on efficiency. Since this SUV is capable of such impressive driving range, every body line and contour was likely designed with aerodynamics in mind. But what's impressive is that the Seal U DM-i still manages to feel practical and spacious at the same time. Some futuristic SUVs sacrifice interior usability for dramatic styling, but this one seems to balance both worlds really well. It looks modern without becoming unrealistic for daily driving. And honestly, honestly, that's probably one of the biggest reasons this SUV could become so popular globally. Now let me ask another question. If you had the choice today, would you rather own a hybrid SUV with 1,000-kilometer range or a full EV that depends entirely on charging infrastructure? Because for a lot of people, hybrids like this still make more sense. Now stepping inside, this is where the 2027 Seal U DM-i really starts feeling like a next-generation SUV. The interior has a minimalist design, but unlike some modern EVs that feel empty or cold, this cabin feels warm, refined, and thoughtfully designed. The dashboard layout is clean and elegant, centered around a large infotainment system that acts as the main command center for the vehicle. This system is expected to run BYD's latest software with fast response times, intuitive menus, smooth graphics, and seamless smartphone integration. Navigation, climate settings, media, vehicle function, everything is designed to be easy to access without distracting the driver. Behind the steering wheel sits a fully digital instrument cluster, displaying driving information in a crisp, customizable format. The steering wheel itself looks ergonomic and modern with integrated controls, positioned naturally for convenience. And honestly, the cabin quality looks seriously impressive for this segment. Soft touch materials, refined trim pieces, ambient lighting, and premium upholstery options all help create an upscale atmosphere that honestly rivals some luxury SUV. The seats are clearly designed for comfort too. Whether you're driving around the city or taking a long-distance highway trip, the seating setup appears supportive and relaxing for both front and rear passengers. And because this SUV is capable of traveling such long distances on a combined tank and char, comfort becomes extremely important. Imagine driving hundreds of kilometers in near silence with lower fuel costs, advanced technology, and a smooth hybrid driving experience. That's exactly the kind of lifestyle BYD seems to be targeting here. Space is another huge advantage. Rear passengers get generous headroom and legroom, while the cargo area appears practical enough for families, road trips, shopping runs, or weekend adventures. This feels like a proper midsize SUV built for real everyday use. Technology features are expected to be loaded throughout the cabin too. Wireless charging, panoramic sunroof, premium sound system, ambient lighting, multi-zone climate control, advanced voice controls, and intelligent connectivity features are all likely depending on trim level. Safety technology also appears impressive. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and advanced driver assistance systems should all help make long-distance driving easier and safer. But now we get to the biggest highlight of this SUV, the engine and hybrid system. The 2027 BYD Seal U DM-i uses BYD's advanced DM-i hybrid technology, combining a gasoline engine with a powerful electric motor system designed to maximize both efficiency and driving smoothness. In city driving, the electric motor handles much of the workload, delivering instant torque and a quiet EV-like experience. Then, when extra performance is needed for highways or overtaking, the gasoline engine joins seamlessly without disrupting the driving feel. That smooth transition between electric and gasoline power is one of the biggest strengths of advanced hybrid systems like this. And then there's the number everyone keeps talking about, nearly 1,000 kilometers of combined driving range. That's massive. For many buyers, that completely removes the anxiety associated with full EV ownership. You still get electric efficiency for daily driving, but you also have gasoline backup for longer journeys without worrying about charging stations. Fuel efficiency is also expected to be excellent, helping owners save money over time compared to traditional gasoline SUV. And honestly, this might be the perfect balance for modern drivers. You get the smoothness and instant response of electric driving, while still keeping the flexibility and convenience people are used to with gasoline vehicles. Now let's talk about price, because this could be one of the biggest reasons the Seal U DM-i becomes such a serious competitor. While exact pricing will vary depending on market and trim level, many expect BYD to position the SUV very competitively against rivals like the RAV4 Hybrid and CR-V Hybrid. And if BYD manages to offer more technology, more range, and a more premium cabin at a similar or even lower price point, traditional automakers could face serious pressure. Because honestly, this doesn't feel like a compromise vehicle anymore. For years, hybrid SUVs were often seen as boring appliances focused only on fuel economy. But the 2027 Seal U DM-i completely changes that image. It looks futuristic, feels upscale, drives efficiently, and still delivers practicality for everyday life. So in the end, the 2027 BYD Seal U DM-i in white feels like a very smart glimpse into the future of family SUV. It combines elegant styling, modern technology, premium comfort, and incredible hybrid efficiency efficiency into one package that feels genuinely practical and forward-thinking. This SUV proves you don't necessarily have to go fully electric to enjoy the future of driving. So now I want to hear from you. Would you actually choose the BYD Seal U DM-i over a RAV4 hybrid, CR-V hybrid, or even a Tesla Model Y? And do you think hybrid SUVs like this are the real future for the next decade? Drop your thoughts down in the comments, because this conversation is getting more interesting every year. And if you enjoyed this first look at the 2027 BYD Seal U DM-i, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Motor Verdict Me, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest SUV reviews, luxury car reveals, and future automotive technology right here on the channel.